Good morning, dear students. How are you today? Today we are going to have a lesson about perimeter of rectangles. I have here rectangle, and I know that perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. I have to know what's meant by perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the outside length. Okay, if I have here a shape, any shape, not only the rectangle, the perimeter is the sum of the outside length of all the sides here. I have here 5, 3, 5, 3. So the perimeter is the sum of all the outside length. Okay, here in the rectangle, I know that in the rectangle each two opposite sides are equal in length. So here 5 centimeter and here 5 centimeter. When he gives me here in the question, this is 3 centimeters, so this is 3 centimeter. So the perimeter here, length plus width plus length plus width, right? Okay, so when I add all the numbers here, it will give me 16 centimeter. Okay, I can do what? I have here length is repeated 2 times and width is repeated 2 times. So I can say perimeter equals length plus width all multiplied by 2. Why? Because length is repeated 2 times and width is repeated 2 times. Okay, it's more easy. It's easier to do that. I have here perimeter of a square. I know that in the square all sides are equal in length, right? Here 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 and 3. So the perimeter is the sum of all outside length of a shape. So I make here S plus S plus S plus S. S here means the side. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or I can say here the side or the 3 centimeter is repeated 4 times. So it can be written as S times 4. S is repeated 4 times. Okay, Stella wants to make a picture frame. Its length is 20 inches and its width is 15 inches. Width here 15 and length is 20. How much material will she need? She will need what? Here I have in a rectangular shape. Why in a rectangular shape? Because here I have length and width. The length here 20, the width here 15. So I have a rule, length plus width all times 2, all multiplies by 2. So 20, substitute 20 plus 15 all times 2. So the answer will be 70 inches. Okay, do you know that rugby is a handball game similar to squash, played in an enclosed court with a floor that is rectangular in shape. The floor of the court is 28 feet long here length, okay, and 18 feet wide width, and made of concrete, so the ball bounces well. What's the perimeter of the rugby 5 floor? It's called rugby 5 floor. Okay, the game. Okay, I have here, I want to know the perimeter here. Okay, the perimeter here equals the rule 2 times length plus width. 2 times bracket length plus width. Okay, 2 times what? 2 times 28 plus 18. 28 plus 18. So the answer will be 92. I added 28 plus 18, it gives me 46. Then I multiply 46 times 2. Find the perimeter of each figure. I have here a figure and I want to know the perimeter. Okay, how can I calculate here? Okay, the length and width. Okay, first I count the length, 1, 2, 3 units, 3 square units, 3, and the width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 plus 6, all multiplied by 2 equals 18. Why multiplied by 2? Because here I have one length, width, two length, two widths. So I do what? I just make addition of length plus width, all times 2, repeated 2 times. Or I can just here add all the sides. How many sides do I have here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here I have a square. How many square units here in one side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I multiply side times 4, or add all the outside length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or just 4 times 4. Find the perimeter. Here I have 9 and 4, so 9 times 4, 9 plus 4, all multiplied by 2. And here in a square I have 6 feet. Yeah, for one side I know that in the square all sides are equal in length, so 6 times 4 equal 24. Here Jack rode his scooter around the park that is shaped like a rectangle. Its width is 3 kilometers and its length is 5 kilometers. How far did he ride? Okay, total distance he rode equals to what? Equals to the perimeter of the park. The perimeter of the park here I have width is 3 kilometers and length 5 kilometers. So length plus width all multiplied by 2. 5 plus 3 all multiplied by 2. So the answer will be 16 kilometers. Okay, here a house has a rectangular backyard with a width of 6 meters and a length that is twice the width. Okay, twice the width. How long is the fence around the backyard? I have here the length of the fence around the backyard equals the perimeter. Why? The perimeter of the park. Here total distance he rode, the perimeter of the park. Okay, excuse me, no, the length of the fence around the backyard equals the perimeter. Yeah, here the perimeter here equals what? Length plus width all times 2. I know that the perimeter here, the length of the fence around the backyard, all the sides around the backyard will be the perimeter. So the backyard, he told me in the question that the backyard is in a rectangular shape. So I have length and width. So when I have length and width, in a rectangle, the perimeter equals length plus width all times 2. So it's equal to 12 plus 6 times 2. So the answer will be 36 meters. Gabriel says, to find the perimeter of any rectangular figure, I can use either the formula 2 open bracket length plus width close bracket, or length plus width plus length plus width. Do you agree with him? Justify your answer. Of course I agree. Why? Because here length plus width is repeated 2 times, the same like here. Yes, I agree with him, because length plus width plus length plus width equals 2L, 2 length plus 2 width. Okay, so the formulas are the same. Okay, here in your practice book, if you have it, circle the letter that shows the perimeter of each figure. Here, what should I do to know the perimeter? To count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have here the length is 6 and the width is 10. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 16 times 2, because 16 is repeated 2 times, so the answer will be 32. Here, perimeter of each shape. Here the perimeter of this shape, I have a square shape, so the perimeter is 12 times 4, or 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, and so on. Here, problem solving. Luke was playing on a trampoline with a length of 6 feet and a width of 5 feet. Find the perimeter of the trampoline. Length plus width all times 2. 6 plus 5 in brackets times 2 will give you 22. Thank you, my dear students. Study well, and if you have any question, please send your question on Google Classroom. Bye bye.